Good morning, dear friend. Today's video, I will discuss the few formulas of index numbers, that is weighted aggregate method. So firstly, I will discuss the formula for price index numbers. Then I will discuss the same formulas for the quantity index numbers. In the price index numbers, the first formula is Last-Phase method. Last-Phase method means P01, 0 for the base year and 1 for the current year. Then the formula is sigma P1 P0 over sigma P0 Q0 into 100. And then second formula is past year method. That means P01, again 0 for the base year. Base means previous year and 1 for the current year. The formula will be P1 Q1 over P0 Q1 into 100. Then third formula is Darvish and Wallace method. Actually, this formula can be derived from the Last-Phase and past year method. That is, it is the average arithmetic mean, or we can say average of the Last-Phase and past year method. Average means L plus P by 2. L for Last-Phase and P for past year method. So I have taken L, value of L and PE, and 100 is common. I have taken outside, divided by 2. So next formula is Fisher's ideal index number. Fisher ideal index number is can be calculated the geometric mean of Last-Phase and past year method. That means L into P. L is L for Last-Phase methods and P for past year method. That means we have put these values in this formula, and square root of 100 if we are taking, that means 100 will be kept outside. So these two formulas can be derived from the Last-Phase and past year method. Next is the Marshall-Edwards method. That is P01 is equal to sigma P1 Q0 plus Q1 over P0 Q0 plus Q1 into 100. Then Walsh's formula, that is P01 is equal to sigma P1 root Q0 Q1 divided by P0 root Q0 Q1 into 100. Next is Cayley's method. P01 is equal to sigma P1 Q over sigma P0 Q into 100. These are the formulas for calculating the weighted aggregate method. That is, whenever there is a price index number, then these are the various methods. If the quantity is given, then we will again use the same formulas, but the only difference is that in place of P, we will replace Q, and in place of Q, we will replace P. All the formulas are same, as I have already discussed in the price index number. But in this case, if you will notice that in place of P, it is put Q, and in place of Q, it is put P. So these are the methods for quantity price index number. That means when quantity is given, then we can calculate the Last-Phase method. We can calculate quantity index numbers by Last-Phase method, past year method, Darvish and Wallace, Fisher method, Marshall-Edwards, Walsh method, Cayley's method. These are the same one, but only difference is here in the case quantities are given. So I will explain one illustration related to this formula. That means question is given, construct index numbers of price from the following data by applying Last-Phase method, past year method, Wallace method, Fisher's ideal method, Marshall-Edwards method. The statement is given 1983 and 84, prices and quantities are given. Then again price and quantities are given 1984. We can take 1983 as a base year and 1984 is the current years. So base years we can take, this is a P0, this is Q0, and this is P1, this is Q1. So I have taken commodities A, B, C, D. It is given in the statement. Base period. Base period is 1983. That means we have considered P0, Q0, then 1984. That is the current period. We have taken P1, Q1. So I have written all these items up to this. Now I have to calculate the Last-Phase method. In the Last-Phase methods, if we see, the formula is P1 P0 P0 Q0 into 100. That means we will formulate the columns according to the formula. In the formula, there is a P1, P0. So I have formulated all the column, that is P0, Q0, P0, Q1. That means P0, Q0 कैसे? How we will calculate? P0, Q0 की quantities को हमने multiply कर लिया. 2 into 8, 16, 5 into 10, 50. 4 into 14, that is 56. 2 into 19, 38. Then I have formulated another column P0, Q1. मीन्स P0 की Q1 की एंट्रीज को हमने मल्टीप्लाई कर लिया. 2 into 6 12, 5 into 5 25. ऐसे ही मैंने P1 Q0 का कॉलम बना लिया. मीन्स P1 और Q0 की एंट्रीज को मल्टीप्लाई कर लिया. 8 into 4 32, 10 into 6 60, 14 into 5 70. Then I have formulated P1 Q1. P1 Q1 means this is 6 into 4 24, 6 into 5 30, 10 into 5 50. So next I have formulated column P1 Q0 plus Q1. That means firstly I have added the values of Q0 and Q1. Then I have multiplied the values with the P1 entries. पहले मैंने Q0 Q1 की एलिमेंट्स को मैंने ऐड कर लिया. That is 8 into 6 14 हो गया. फिर मैंने इसको P1 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई कर लिया. 56 आ गया. Similarly I have got these elements. फिर नेक्स्ट कॉलम में मैंने क्या करा? Q0 Q1 की एंट्रीज को ऐड करा. Q0 Q1 that 6 into 8 14. Then मैंने इसको P0 की एंट्रीज के साथ मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया. That means 14 into 2 28. Similarly I have got all the columns because if we are talking about Lethway's passage, all these columns will be used. That's why I have make all these columns. Now I will use the formulas. Formulas I have already explained in the first sheet, that is the price index by Lethway's method. Formula is P1 Q0 over P0 Q0 into 100. If I am taking about, that means P1 Q0, this is 200 and P0 Q0 is 160. So I have put the values here. So I got the price index by Lethway's method. Then Paste method, the formula is sigma P1 Q1 over P0 Q1 into 100. That means P1 Q1 की values हमारी आई है 130 एंड P0 Q1 कितना आया हमारे पास? 103. सो इसकी वैल्यूज मैंने यहाँ पर पुट करी तो आई गॉट दिस आंसर. तो आई हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस बॉलेस मेथड. क्या होता है? दिस इज द अरिथमेटिक मीन्स ऑफ लेथवेयर्स एंड पास्चे. L प्लस P मतलब L भी मैंने कैलकुलेट कर ली, पास्चे की वैल्यू भी मैंने कैलकुलेट कर ली, इसको डिवाइड करा 2 के साथ. देन आई गॉट द प्राइस इंडेक्स बाय बॉलेस मेथड. देन फिशर्स मेथड में क्या होता है? फिशर मेथड इज अ ज्योमेट्रिक मीन ऑफ लेथवेयर्स एंड पास्चे. अब देखिए लेथवेयर्स की वैल्यू भी मैंने निकाली हुई है, पास्चे की भी निकाली है. दोनों को आई हैव टेकन द रूट, दोनों का रूट लेके इसको सॉल्व करा. देन आई गॉट द प्राइस इंडेक्स बाय फिशर्स मेथड. देन प्राइस इंडेक्स बाय मार्शल एजवर्थ मेथड. मार्शल एजवर्थ का फॉर्मूला होता है P1 Q0 ब्रैकेट Q0 प्लस Q1 ओवर सिग्मा P0 Q0 Q1 into 100. So that's why I have formulated these columns P1 Q0 Q1 and P0 Q0 Q1 because I have to calculate the price index by the Marshall Edgeworth method. So just I have taken the values. P1 Q0 Q1 is 330 and this is taken as 263. 330 over 263 into 100. I got this answer. So this is the illustration related to the calculate the price index by the various method. The various method is Lethway's, Paste, Bowles, Fishers and Marshall Edgeworth. So in this illustration we have just seen, that means whenever the previous year is given, we are considering this as the base year and this as the new years. That means we can consider it as the current years. So this is the illustration. Thank you so much, dear friend. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to share with other also.